Girl, tell me why checking your bank app after a tiny shopping day feels like getting hit with reality in 4K. Like, 1 second you're vibing. The next, you're questioning every decision since 2018. We've all been there. Cute bag, ugly balance. And be honest, you ever buy something just because it was on sale, even though you never planned on owning it in your life? Girl, discounts be tricking us like toxic exes. We swear it's a win. Then the guilt hits like, why did I even buy this? We grew up hearing treat yourself, so now spending feels like a personality trait. But the real plot twist? We're not treating ourselves, we're low-key draining our future selves. The system wants us broke, tired, and distracted, and honestly, it's working. And let's be real, that package delivery dopamine? It lasts like 15 minutes, then boom, guilt sneaks in like, girl, did you seriously need this? We keep shopping like billionaires even though everything's getting more expensive. If we don't change, it's cute outfits and broke futures forever. Hey besties, it's Sophia. Welcome back to the Sophia Cash channel, helping you glow up financially. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because around here, we don't just look good, we look good and keep our bank accounts alive. Quick disclaimer, this video is for education and entertainment, not financial advice. Today, I'm giving you the Gen Z guide to shopping smart while still slaying. Stay with me till the end. This guide will literally change how you shop forever. Overspending isn't because you're bad with money, girl. It's literally your brain on dopamine. Every time you shop, your brain gets a tiny hit of excitement that feels so good in the moment. The trick is learning what triggers that urge so you can pause before your wallet goes into danger mode. Studies show we spend way more when we're stressed, tired, or just bored out of our minds. And online shopping? Girl, that's like shopping on turbo mode. Everything happens 3x faster. No wonder your cart fills up before you even know what happened. Imagine being that girl, the one who shops with intention and actually knows her style. Every piece in your closet feels like it was chosen with purpose, not panic. No guilt, no chaos, just main character energy every time you get dressed. Most people think overspending means they're irresponsible, but honestly, you're mostly just coping with emotions. Shopping becomes the quick fix you turn to when life feels chaotic. But unless you know your triggers, the cycle just keeps hitting repeat like a broken playlist. Girl, real talk, half the time you overspend because you're low-key confused about what your real vibe even is. When you don't know your style, everything looks tempting and you end up impulse shopping. But once you lock in your personal formula, suddenly shopping feels way less chaotic. Most people only wear like 20% of their closet, which is honestly wild. And studies say decluttering your wardrobe can drop your impulse spending by almost 70%. Like, imagine saving money simply by knowing what you actually wear. Imagine opening your closet and literally every outfit is a 9 or a 10, like zero stress. Zero, oof, what do I wear moments. Your wardrobe becomes your hype squad instead of your enemy. That's the power of a clean, intentional style formula. A lot of people think buying more clothes gives them more options, but honestly, it just makes everything more chaotic. A messy, random wardrobe kills your aesthetic and your wallet. When you shop without knowing your vibe, you're basically paying for confusion. Rich people don't buy stuff just because it's cute in the moment. They plan their fun. They make room in their budget for joy, so they never feel guilty later. And honestly, that's the real flex. Spending with intention, not impulse. Did you know the average American drops over $1,400 a year on impulse buys? And the wild part is, most of it never gets used. But when you budget weekly, those random purchases drop fast, and your bank account stops crying. Imagine shopping without guilt, like you walk into a store and everything you buy is already accounted for. No stomach drop, no panic later. Just pure yes queen, I planned this energy. Most people think budgeting is about restricting your life, but that's so wrong. Budgeting is literally giving yourself permission to have fun without chaos. Skip the tracking though, and boom, overspending hits fast. Okay, bestie, before you buy literally anything, run it through the smart girl filter. This is like your personal shopping checkpoint so you don't end up buying stuff you regret in 2 weeks. It keeps you focused on what actually makes you feel good long term, not just in the moment. Question 1. Do you love it? Not kinda like, not it's cute, but love. If it doesn't make you feel gorgeous, confident, and fully you, girl, it's a no. Next, will I wear it 10 times or more? Be real, babe. If it's something you'd wear once for a cute pic and then forget, it's not worth your coins. Your closet should work for you, not drain you. And finally, can you afford it without stressing? If buying it means you'll be eating noodles for 3 days, girl, put it back. Smart shopping means choosing what supports your life, not complicates it. Trends aren't the enemy, babe. The real problem is when they start controlling you instead of the other way around. It's like every week TikTok tells you who to be next, and suddenly you're buying things you didn't even know existed yesterday. But real style hits different when you choose the trend, not when the trend chooses you. Most trends barely survive like 5 to 12 weeks, but somehow we act like they're lifelong commitments. And girl, the wild part? We end up buying 8 or more trendy pieces we forget about 2 months later. That's basically a speed run to a chaotic closet and a broke bank account. Imagine being that girl who always looks stylish but never looks like she tried too hard. The one who mixes a couple trends with her own signature vibe and somehow always eats? Trendy, but still timeless, that's the real flex. Everyone assumes staying relevant means buying everything new, but girl, that's the quickest way to drain your wallet. Real style is about consistency, not chaos. It's knowing who you are even when trends get loud. Remember, fashion fades, but your style, that's forever. Okay, bestie, real talk. America is literally built to make you buy stuff you don't need. Every notification, every sale countdown, every only 2 left is designed to make you panic shop. But when you slow down, you start seeing how much control you actually have. Most of our impulse buys happen on our phones, like literally 80%. We're scrolling half asleep and suddenly, boom, we bought something random again. But when you add just a 48-hour pause, girl, your brain finally catches up before your wallet cries. Imagine only buying things that actually fit your lifestyle, not what an algorithm pushes on you. Like, girl, you're not a robot. You don't have to follow every For You suggestion. You deserve to choose things that reflect you, not what your feed is screaming at you. And let's be honest, that whole buy it now or it'll be gone thing is almost always fake urgency. Brands love to create FOMO, so you don't think, you just buy. But remember this, the best things in life? Yeah, they're not things. Let's be real, the goal isn't to stop shopping. It's to stop buying random stuff that doesn't fit your life. When you shop with intention, every piece becomes something you actually reach for. It's like curating your own personal vibe instead of just collecting clothes. People who shop intentionally save serious money, like thousands a year. And honestly, it's not about restricting yourself, it's about making choices you'll be proud of later. Imagine your future self thanking you for not letting impulsive add-to-cart moments win. Imagine walking into your closet and it feels like a tiny boutique curated just for you. Every piece fits, every color works, every outfit actually gives main character energy. Getting dressed becomes fun again, not stressful. Here's the truth, you don't need more clothes, you just need the right ones. Buying without a plan is what keeps you stuck in the nothing-to-wear cycle. So build with intention and remember the golden rule. Less but better. So quick recap. We talked about why we overspend, how the system tricks us, how to build your style, how to budget the fun stuff, and how to create a closet you actually love. Girl, you can look amazing without going broke. If this opened your eyes, smash that like button. Subscribe to the Sophia Cash channel and share this with a friend who shops like she's allergic to saving. And tell me in the comments what's your biggest shopping struggle. I want to talk about it with you. This is Sophia Cash helping you glow up financially. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay gorgeous, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.